Hey guys, it's Shadow the Fluffy Wolf. I'm kidding, it's Breaking Shadow Soul here and playing Wolf Online today. Just so you know, I am not a hacker. So, yeah, no, I'm not a hacker. Let's turn this down, because I'm just gonna take my earbuds out, because I'm not a hacker. Just doing my job. I need a life. I just like killing people die. Oh crap, I'm gonna get killed by that kid. Yeah, these are my stats. My speed is like 980, that's what it is, 985, look at my stats. Yeah, technically all I do is just kill people. I'm way too fast for my own good. Oh god. I'm not gonna... For those of you guys who are wondering, the FH pack is a pack I created, and anybody's welcome to join it. You just have to be following me on Instagram. And that Instagram account will be in the description. Feel free to leave a comment down below. Feel free to leave a comment down below on the video. Kitsune, female. Anyways, I'm gonna be talking about a little bit about the pack I created and a little bit like why I wanted to make this pack. But anyway, my pack. Alright, I was originally RA Shadow Female. For those of you guys who may know her, that is me. I used to be in the RA pack. Sleepy, the leader of the pack, actually asked me to join. And so what I did was, like, I joined the pack and I stayed there for a little while. And then I got, like, really freaking powerful. And then everybody just started hating me because I was in RA and I didn't have kick. I didn't have kick. So I decided that, you know, whatever, I'll stay in the pack. Okay, don't get your health lowered. I decided I was gonna stay in the pack for a little while longer. But then I had to, like, switch phones. I was already Shadow Female when I had my LG phone, but then I switched to a Samsung and I lost all my data. So I decided that I was gonna quit the game, and I did for, like, a year. I quit the game for, like, a year, and then I came back. I killed, like, a crap load of hackers, and I upgraded my stats a lot. So, what I did there was, like, I got back on the game, and I thought I was going to be able to do this on my own, but I realized, hey, with all the modders and stuff on here, I'm going to need a little bit of help. So, what I did, I actually managed to find a really nice hacker who let me kill him or her. I don't know. I don't remember the user, but if you can find that person, I'd highly recommend you go get points from them. Like, seriously. 'Cause, like, it really helped me out a lot, and now I find a lot more joy in the game being able to play it. Because it is now fun for me. Like, I missed my speed. All I really wanted was my speed back, and now I got it. I got my speed back, and so yeah. But anyway, what caused me to make the FH pack? The FH pack is, FH stands for Frostbitten Hearts. The name, I kind of just wanted a cool name. But no, what I decided I need to stop talking. But anyway, I decided on the name, and yeah, I only have one member so far. Shout out to Zelda Master, aka FH Blazing Female. For any of you guys who may have seen her on Wolf Online. She's my best friend. Yeah, I might just leave Snowstorm for a little bit, because I'm tired of running across the snow. It's not fun anymore. I'm just gonna try and kill you. Fight me, bitch. I'm a lot stronger than you. Go away. Sorry if I'm swearing. I was originally gonna do this in a phone call, but it would not record the audio, so that kind of made me a little bit mad. So, I was just gonna do a solo video. I was gonna go get the computer and record, but decided not to, because that's kind of you wouldn't be able to hear them anyway. I was gonna get on Facebook and stuff like that and like call Russia and Italy, but that obviously didn't happen to a person I can kill and like take their freaking tiger or whatever. Nobody asked you to help. But that's what I was originally gonna do for that video. Hi. That's originally what I was gonna do for the video. But I had to change plan. Piggies. Yeah, I'm 2-shotting these pigs, 4-shotting lions, 5-shotting 4-shotting lions and tigers. Through the 3-shotting bears, I believe. And 3-shotting crocodiles die. 1-shot leopards. I need to upgrade my health a little. I need to upgrade my attack a little bit. But overall, a couple hackers are actually really nice. I just got freaking ricocheted. Don't bite me. I will kill you. Yeah. You mother... Okay, you know what? I'm not being nice anymore. Yes! In the back room. I'm not gonna be nice anymore. I'm done. I'm done. No. Trying to kill the bear. I'm gonna kill you. Because I freaking can. I'm faster than you. You should know this. Oh my god. Well, whatever. I'm gonna take your food. I'm not gonna be nice anymore. Sorry that you have to hear my awful voice die. Taking out all my anger on you guys. Alright, you know what? Just kill everything because I'm on a rage quit right now. Freaking kill literally everything. See, 1-shot on leopards. I'm sorry if I killed you and you're watching this video, but I'm like seriously mad because that hacker killed me. And I'm pretty sure that was an immortal hacker. I like how we can just like walk onto the frozen lake. There's like no water. See, you're all hackers and I ain't got crap. Did you just hit me? Why does the snow guardian commit suicide? Seppuku. Sudas. Sudas, I don't know. I don't speak Lithuanian very well. Yet. I'm just gonna let these guys know what I'm doing. Is this a Spanish server? Yes. Why is there a whale? Like, just whale. You're all Spanish. Well, I do get it. I only speak English. A little bit of German and a little bit of Lithuanian, but oh my god, what the heck is all over my feet? Sorry guys, I got like crap all over my feet. Yeah, just come attack me. I can see you on the map. I see all. Ouch. I'm Superior Wolf. Well, most of the time. Hi. Hi. I will be your friend. Well, I kind of don't have a choice, but, you know. No. Leave me alone, you little jerk. I didn't want to say the P word because I'm gonna try and keep this channel as kid-friendly as possible, even though that's probably not gonna happen. Ooh, I can kill you. 707. I'm sorry. I know I haven't been. I've only been playing for like 12 and a half minutes, but I got nothing else to talk about. I'm sorry. This video probably sucked balls, but whatever. Again, if you're looking forward to joining the FH pack, the Instagram channel you need to follow to contact me about it is in the description. Again, feel free to leave a like. Really? I'm recording a video here. Anyways, feel free to leave a like. Also, feel free to leave a comment with one of the hashtags in the description if you're one of my supporters. Huge shout out to Zelda Master, aka FH Blazing Female. And I will see you in the next video. But first, you know, I'm not going to tell you what I'm going to do before I end the video, but you're going to love it. Alright, before I end the video, but first, I'm just going to murder this wolf. Maybe. Die. Die. Crap. This looks so wrong. Kids, don't look. Die. First, this wolf dies. See? Happy wolf. Okay, guys, seriously, I'm gonna end the video here. If you were in the video today, comment your username and feel free to say hi. France. Oh, Hitalia reference. You wouldn't. You probably wouldn't get it. Okay, I'll stop being weird and I'm gonna hang up now. Right now. Okay, now. I'm kidding. After this guy dies. Happy wolf.